going from a medium chestnutty brown to this beautiful pinky red with box dye. So I was going through the store today and I was really taken by this hair color here. This is the Schwarzkopf Live. It's lasts up to 10 weeks apparently and it's got 80% less hair breakage and it does professional grey coverage, which is really important to me because my hair's now dark. I do have greys shining through, which were far less obvious when I had blonde hair, but that's okay. I'm just gonna have to keep touching up the roots once I get to a color that I really like. You can see on this indicator here that your natural hair color, if it's these, will go to these shades. This is not my natural hair color, but it is faded dye and it is blonde underneath. So I have no idea what this is gonna do, but regardless, it's going to look really nice, I think. So I'm going to focus mostly on my roots to start with because that's my greys, and then I'll just pull the rest through, and obviously it gets lighter towards the tips of my hair. So this will take easier, I'm guessing. I really don't know. I'm just making this up. I hope it sounds good. Okay, so this is what the packaging used to look like, and this is what it looks like now if you're looking to buy this currently, these days, today. Okay, so pretty standard contents. It has the color, it's got the activator, it has the conditioner for afterwards, and it has gloves. So you basically just mix them together and shake it as per the majority of box dyes that you can get. I just wanted to be very clear, I've got no idea what I'm doing. I'm just a regular person heading into a store, seeing a box dye that I really like the color of, and shoving it on my head. So don't judge me for this technique. If you know a better one, do that one. Just want to make sure the roots are covered because my greys are so bad. Do you see how light this is? I'm like somewhat like not convinced it's going to do anything. Not convinced. Okay, we'll time lapse this. This is not boring for you. Hang on, let me just take my little glove off. So basic logic, I always focus on the roots first. Of course, I mentioned I've got my greys, so I want the longest developing time on those. And also my root color is darker than my ends, so I just want that to try and lift a little bit more. And then obviously taking it through to my ends towards the end of this and letting it develop. Washing it out, it is obviously a very vibrant red, and as you can see, I wanted to be a little bit transparent here. It has dyed my skin, so it'll take a few more scrubs. This is what my hair looked like beforehand. I just wanted to do a reminder here because it actually was quite light in some areas, and this is the finished result. It is a very deep, beautiful pinky. It's like a blue undertoned red, so very good for cool tone skin colors. It's stunning, and the color did last a lot longer than I thought, and it faded beautifully as well.